Welcome to BioInfo. Today we explore groundbreaking innovations in robotics and technology that are transforming industries worldwide. From high-rise construction to futuristic transportation, let's dive into the most exciting advancements. Schindler RISE, the first robotic elevator installation. System. Schindler has introduced RISE, the world's first robotic system designed for automatic elevator installation in high-rise buildings. For the first time in history, a robot can autonomously perform complex installation tasks with high precision and efficiency. Once deployed in the elevator shaft, RISE operates 24/7, significantly accelerating installation compared to traditional methods. It independently drills holes in concrete walls and installs anchor bolts without constant human supervision. The system was successfully used in the construction of the Warsaw Tower in Warsaw, Poland, the tallest building in the European Union, ensuring exceptional speed and quality. Founded in 1874, Schindler Group is a Swiss company and a global leader in elevators and escalators. With innovations like RISE, they continue to enhance safety and efficiency in the construction industry. Light spray, a breakthrough in sustainable footwear production. Swiss company On has developed light spray, a revolutionary technology combining robotics and material science to create ultra-lightweight running shoes with minimal waste and a lower carbon footprint. This innovative robotic system applies approximately 1.5 kilometers of thread in a precise pattern onto a high-performance sole, forming the shoe's upper in just 3 minutes. By eliminating the need for glue and stitching, this method significantly reduces material waste and carbon emissions, cutting CO2 output by up to 75% compared to traditional production methods. The technology enables the creation of On's lightest elite racing shoes, such as the Cloudboom Strike LS, which weighs only 170 grams, delivering optimal speed and performance. RISE Robotics, advancing construction site. Automation. RISE Robotics has introduced a robotic system designed to enhance safety and efficiency on high-rise construction sites. Equipped with 2 UR20 collaborative robotic arms from Universal Robots, this mobile robot can operate autonomously, reducing the need for human workers in hazardous environments. It has a payload capacity of 36 kilograms and can perform multiple tasks using interchangeable tools. By allowing a single operator to control tasks that previously required 2 to 4 workers, this innovation increases productivity while minimizing workplace injuries. RISE Robotics, based in San Francisco, specializes in robotic platforms that address skilled labor shortages and improve safety in construction. RoboMax, JD, revolutionizing turf. Harvesting Brower. Kesmac has unveiled RoboMax JD, an automated machine designed for harvesting and stacking turf with minimal human effort. This advanced system features robotic stacking technology for precise handling, an automated pallet feeder that accommodates up to 18 pallets, and an upgradable dual-side feeding option for increased productivity. The climate-controlled cabin provides operators with excellent visibility of critical areas, ensuring efficient and comfortable operation. Capable of handling turf widths of 16, 23, or 24 inches and stacking 4 to 5 rolls per pallet, RoboMax JD simplifies the transportation and distribution of turf, making it a game-changer in the industry. Pipe Dream Labs. Underground Delivery. Robots, American company. Pipe Dream Labs is pioneering underground logistics with autonomous delivery robots designed to transport goods through subterranean tunnels. These compact electric-powered robots can reach speeds of up to 100 kilometers per hour, while carrying loads up to 15 kilograms in specialized containers. Equipped with GPS-based autonomous control and multiple sensors, they navigate sealed tunnels efficiently, avoiding traffic congestion and adverse weather conditions. By reducing strain on surface infrastructure and cutting carbon emissions, this futuristic delivery system promises near instantaneous transportation of goods. Aerolift, a revolutionary building. Lifting system failsafe house. Lifting Systems has introduced Aerolift, an innovative solution for lifting buildings weighing up to 80 tons to heights of 5.2 meters without pauses or reconfiguration. The system consists of 4 modular lifting towers, which can be expanded to increase load capacity. Dual-threaded drives and advanced locking mechanisms ensure maximum safety by preventing sudden structural descent. Positioned outside the building's perimeter, the system allows free space for construction and repairs. Its compact design enables easy transportation and deployment in hard-to-reach areas, making it a vital tool for infrastructure upgrades. Suzuki MOQBA, a futuristic multi-terrain vehicle. Suzuki has unveiled the MOQBA, a conceptual vehicle that blends motorcycle dynamics with robotic mobility. Designed for extreme terrains, MOQBA features 4 articulated legs that allow it to navigate stairs and uneven surfaces. Its modular base chassis can be adapted for various applications, including passenger transport, medical aid, and cargo delivery. By reimagining urban and off-road mobility, Suzuki showcases its commitment to innovative transportation solutions of the future. Arbus 4000 JAAV, the smart agricultural sprayer. The Arbus 4000 JAAV is an autonomous agricultural sprayer designed to optimize crop treatment efficiency. With a 4,000-liter tank, it covers large areas with minimal refills. Its intelligent laser scanning system analyzes plant structures, adjusting spraying parameters to maximize coverage while minimizing chemical waste. Equipped with a multi-fan system with independent electric drives, the sprayer ensures precision, preventing droplet drift and reducing environmental impact. Remote operation capabilities allow seamless control and synchronization with other farm machinery. Which of these innovations impressed you the most? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to BioInfo for more exciting tech updates. See you next time.